Now I want to talk to you about the inking tool. The inking tool is a newer feature, and they've made it much more convenient for you in Word 2019. Now you may notice here, I don't have a Draw tab right now. If you have a touch-enabled device, you'll automatically get a Draw tab. But if you don't have a touch-enabled device, you can still use the drawing tool. I can turn it on by going to the File tab, going down to Options, going to Customize Ribbon, and on the right-hand side, you'll see different tabs that are already active, and I just put a check mark in the box in front of Draw and hit OK. The Draw tab gives me the opportunity to draw directly on my screen. Now, if I had a touch-enabled device, I could use a stylus or my finger, but you can also use a mouse. And I can select any of the pens, pencils, or highlighters and use them directly on my screen. Now, I do have the opportunity to create my own individual pen, pencil, or highlighter, or I can change an existing highlighter, in this case, to a different color or a different thickness. And then I just click on the screen and highlight what I want to highlight. And it'll automatically default to highlighting that area. Now with a pen, it's a little more difficult, especially with a mouse, to write on the screen neatly. And if you make a mistake, it's okay. I can always go and use my eraser. And I can erase part, anything that's attached together, by clicking and dragging over each individual line that I've created. Pen works the same way. I can change the colors to a standard black pen and a standard thickness. Maybe I like more of a fine point. And I can write on the screen. Now, one of the fun parts is I have the ability to maybe do some editing right on the screen to send it back to someone. I can take a word out by drawing a line through it. And visually, they will be able to see things that need to be changed. When I don't want to use the drawing tool anymore, I can just go back to the select arrow on my ribbon, and it'll take me right back in to using my mouse to highlight information or select a spot. So the inking tool is a great new feature.